Hi lovelies, it's Love Chisom here again. So on today's video, we are going to make this beautiful kaftan bubu gown that you are seeing on the screen here. So with a slit opening on the front. If today is your first time of coming across my video, you are welcome. So get your seat, let us begin. You start by folding your fabric into 4. Look at mine, it's into 4. So you measure your back neck length of 3 inches and neck depth of 1.5. That is what I'm doing here. Okay, so the next thing you're going to measure here is your shoulder divided by 2. Shoulder divided by 2. Mine is 8.5. The next thing is to measure your sleeve length, where you want your sleeve to stop. Mine, I made use of 12 inches. So for your sleeve opening, come down by 12 inches. So then you're going to come down by 12 inches here again at the front line to get a straight line. That is the reason I went down by 12 inches there again. So right here, you come down by 28 inches for your hip measurement. Mine is 28 inches. I don't know yours. So you also do the same thing here. Come down by 28 inches for your hip length. The length of my hip, shoulder to hip, is 28 inches. So right now I'm using a stretch ruler to mark out the lines that I've bring out the lines that I've marked out. Okay, so after that, I'm going to measure to the length of my gown. What I have here is 54 inches. So I'm going to cut out extra 8 inches to join because I needed 60 inches for the length. Okay, and I'll use 2 inches to hem it. So right here, I'm going to mark out the length. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to start putting my measurements. Whatever I have on my shoulder, I'm going to bring it down to the 12 inches for my sleeve opening. So look at it. Whatever I have on your shoulder, bring it down here and then you mark. So now I'm going to impute my measurement. Hip circumference divided by 4 plus 4 inches allowance. Please, in this gown, we are going to make use of only the hip measurement. Nothing more. Hip measurement divided by 4 plus 4 inches extra allowance. And I also do the same thing on the hip line. And I'll also put it on the length of my gown. Okay. So the next thing I will do is to use my stretch ruler to bring out the lines to life. So I'll bring out the lines. Use my stretch ruler to join all the measurements that I've marked. I will join it straight to the 12 inches sleeve opening. Okay, I will join them to the 12 inches sleeve opening. All the necessary measurements that I've marked out, hip measurement that I've marked out. Right here, I'm going to mark out my sleeve length to join it to the shoulder. Then I will curve my armhole. So I've curved my armhole. The next thing is to cut. So we are going to cut now. So after cutting, this is the one we cut out. So I'm going to take from here to complete the length of the gown. So the next thing we're going to do now is to measure 3 inches. Please pay very good attention here. You are going to measure 3 inches down to the length of your gown because we are going to cut these 3 inches out. Then we are going to cut a full band of 3.5. The half inch will be for the sewing to go around the neckline, the full neck. So just watch closely what I am doing. After marking the 3 inches, I will use my straight ruler to bring them out, bring the lines out. Then I'll open up the dress. Watch closely, please. So right here, I'm going to open the fabric. So open it up, arrange it. I'm going to arrange it now. So after arranging it, we are going to cut out the 3 inches measurement. We're going to cut it out. And when we cut it out, we are going to use it and cut out 3.5 inches for the full length of the gown. It will go round from the down round the neck to the other side down. So right now, the 3 inches that I cut out now, okay, I'm going to show you. Before that, let me show you how to, where to measure. Use your tape and measure around what you have on the front here. Measure it all around. So whatever you get, whatever your measurement is, you're going to use it to cut out the band. Mine was 128 inches. Mine was 128. So I don't know yours. So it depends on your length. So this is the 3 inches. So I'm going to use it to cut out 3.5. So you are going to join your fabric. So as you make sure you join it to the length of your gown. You get the exact length. So this is 3.5 inches. So right now you are going to fold it into 2. I joined it. Look at it. At some point I began to join. It was not enough. I joined. So right now you are going to open it up and fold it into 2. Then notch the center. Please, very important. Notch the center. Don't forget. Look at the center, notch it, then open it up. Arrange it very well. So now you determine your neck opening for the front. You can make use of 12, you can make use of 13. Mine, I make use of 12. So come down by 12. Then from that 12, you also come down by 29. That is where your slit opening will start. You can come down by 28, 29, 27, depends on your preference. So I prefer 29. Come down by 12 inches. Then for your neck opening. Then from that 12 inches, you come down by 29 or 28. Depends on your preference for the slit opening. So you are going to sew. You run a thread. Remember you ironed it. So on that line that you iron, the center there, run a thread on it. Make sure the 2 parts are equal. So I've done my own. I open it up. I will take it to my ironing table and iron it. So it will lay flat and good. So just look at it. I'm going to iron mine now and show you. So look at it. I've ironed it, arranged it very well. Look at the outcome. So this is where, look at my notched area, the center. Fold it into 2 and notch like I told you. Please, if you don't notch the center of your fabric and center of this your band, it will start dragging, and you must sew from the center, please, to avoid dragging. So right now I'm going to show you how to fix it. Arrange your own. You can see my notch there on the back center, back neck. So right now, pick up the front side, facing the front side on the notched area, the center that you notched. you sew them together. Okay, you sew them, pin it down. I'm going to pin my own. I will show you how to do it. Front side facing front side, you pin. Please, your band must face the front side, then you pin. And so I'll pin it and show you. So I've pinned it. Look at what I did here. See how I pinned it. Okay, make sure you pin yours like that. Arrange it, take it to your sewing machine, and then you sew to the down. If you follow this process, it will come out so well. You will get it right. So this is it. That's it. Give it a very good press and to come out good. So right, you have to turn it over now. Turn it over so that you close your dress. We are almost done. So after turning it over, you are going to fold the sleeve area. This is the sleeve opening. You are going to fold it, then arrange your gown and your pocket. I have many videos how to fix this inner pocket. So I fixed my pocket, then I'm going to close it this way. Okay, we're going to close it this way. Sew carefully. So do the same thing here. Then you hem the down part of your dress. We are done. Look at the final results. Thank you so much. If you watched to this extent, I so much appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your likes. Okay, please try like, subscribe, and drop your comments. Okay, I love you all. I love you all. Mwah. Bye. Just take a look. This is beautiful. Bye.